with Mike Moran. Mike is a faculty member across a number of our programs, and he's also very trendy. And so with that in mind, Mike, I was wondering if you could share with those watching what are some of the top marketing trends to think about as we head into 2019?
I honestly think there's one really big one that people want to focus on, and that's, I think AI is really becoming real. I think you hear people talking about artificial intelligence, and you know, the last few years we've really struggled with big data, where we've been trying to figure out how to get all the data, do analytics, and so as predictive analytics have become more and more important, what people are noticing is that things like machine learning, things like natural language processing, these are all things that are starting to be applied to marketing problems, and I think what's important is for people to really figure out how to kind of tell that you've got something that really works. And so rather than kind of getting caught up in all the little details of how things operate and trying to understand you know, recurrent neural networks and all this kind of junk that tech people talk about.
It's a mouthful.
It is. And so the thing you really ought to be focused on is testing it to see if it works. Does it really make sense for you, right? Because you know, there's all these folks out there that'll tell you, you know, I'll give you another dollop of AI. You know, I'll just ladle it on for you, and you know, and every startup you see says, you know, we have AI, 5G, blockchain, and so you know, what you really need to do is to kind of test things, try things, see if they work in your environment, see if they're really making a difference. Because who cares if it's AI or not? What you really care about is whether it's actually making you any money. And so, focusing on whether that software actually does what it's supposed to do, focusing on the credentials of the people behind it. These are the kinds of ways that you can be a smart buyer and not just get caught up in the hype.
That's great advice. Thank you so much, Mike.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching.